What if I told you there are only two numbers you need to become a consistently profitable trader? Not the RSI, not the MACD, not even Fibonacci, not even your win rate. In fact, most traders spend years chasing thousands of indicators while completely ignoring these two numbers. And that's exactly why they keep losing money. Once I understood these numbers, my entire approach to trading changed. And today, I'm going to show you what they are, why almost nobody is talking about them, and how they can completely transform the way you trade. Success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Robert Collier. Everyone in trading seems obsessed with numbers. The 9 EMA, the 20 EMA, the 50-day moving average, the 200-day moving average, the RSI at 70 and 30, the 61.8% Fibonacci level, the VIX, the Greeks, the win rate, the risk to reward ratio. And while every one of those numbers has its place, I believe there are two numbers that are even more important. Ironically, most traders have never, ever heard them discussed. And what's even more fascinating, these two numbers are inverses of one another. And once you understand one, you'll automatically understand the other. By the end of this video, I think you'll look at trading and yourself completely different. Let's begin with 37. Actually, it's not really about the number. It's about what the number represents. In his best-selling book, Atomic Habits by James Clear, tells a powerful story about the compounding effect of tiny improvements. His argument wasn't that dramatic overnight changes create extraordinary lives. His argument was the opposite. Small improvements, repeated consistently, eventually produce extraordinary outcomes. Mathematically, if you improve by just 1% every day for 1 year, you don't end the year 37% better. You end up about 37 times better than where you started. Think about that. Not because of one incredible trading strategy, not because you found the perfect indicator, but because you became just a little bit better every single day. Now imagine that applied to trading. Imagine becoming just 1% more patient, 1% more disciplined, 1% better at respecting your stop loss, 1% better at waiting for confirmation, 1% better at controlling revenge trading, 1% better at following your trading plan. How different would your account look by the end of this year? How much stress would disappear? How much confidence would you gain? How many impulsive decisions would you avoid? How would your family benefit if you consistently made wiser financial decisions? See, most traders are searching for one big breakthrough. Professionals become profitable through thousands of microscopic improvements. Now, let's flip the numbers. 73. Here's why this number matters. Statistics consistently show that markets spend much more time moving sideways than trending. A common estimate among traders is that markets are consolidating roughly 70 to 80% of the time, with trends occurring during the remaining periods. Let's use 73% as a simple way to remember that reality. Think about what that means. If the market is spending roughly 3/4 of its time consolidating, what are the odds you're forcing trades during conditions that simply aren't favorable?
Pause. No, seriously, pause for 1 second. If you're watching this right now, it probably means one of two things. You're either trying to make sense of the market, or the market just humbled you a little today. Well, first, thank you for being here and watching this channel. That means more than you probably realize. Because trading can feel incredibly lonely. 1 minute you're confident, the next minute price reverses, and you're staring at the screen thinking, what just happened? You study the charts, you watch the videos, you try to follow the rules, but somehow the market still finds a way to hit your stop, shake your confidence, and make you question whether you even belong here. And let me tell you something very clearly. You are not crazy, and you are not the only one experiencing this. Most traders aren't failing because they're lazy. They're failing because they're navigating chaos without structure. They're guessing, they're chasing, they're reacting to price instead of preparing for it. That frustration you feel when price moves exactly where you expected after you close your trade. Yeah, we've all been there. That's exactly why I built this community, a place where traders can stop guessing and start trading with clarity, structure, and confidence. Inside our free community, I share the exact SPY levels I'm watching for the next trading day, the same level institutions are paying attention to. Support, resistance, key areas where decisions actually happen. No fluff, no noise. Just structure that helps you approach the market with freedom and clarity instead of fear and confusion. So if you're serious about becoming a better trader, join our free community using the link in the description. Grab tomorrow's SPY levels, introduce yourself, and let me personally welcome you inside. You don't have to figure this out alone anymore. And if this video helped you even a little, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the community.
Most beginning traders think progress means action. We've been taught that our entire lives. If you're not doing something, you're falling behind. Work harder. Hustle harder. Stay busy. Never stop. Always grind. Those messages come from school, from work, from sports, from social media, from a culture that often rewards activity more than effectiveness. But the market, it plays by different rules. The market doesn't reward the busiest trader. It rewards the most disciplined one. And sometimes the highest paying decisions you'll make all day is doing absolutely nothing. Think about that. Imagine a surgeon deciding to operate when surgery isn't necessary. We would call that dangerous. Yet traders enter unnecessary trades every day simply because they feel uncomfortable waiting. That's not discipline. That's anxiety. Studies of retail trading have repeatedly found that a majority of active retail traders lose money over time, particularly those who trade frequently. More trades do not automatically lead to better results. Many traders don't lose because they can't identify a setup. They lose because they trade when no high-quality setup exists. Every unnecessary trade increases your exposure to transaction cost, emotional decision-making, and avoidable risks. So here's the connection between these two numbers. 37 teaches you to improve your process every day. 73 reminds you that sometimes improvement means learning, not to trade. One teaches growth, the other teaches restraint. Together, they create discipline. Your edge isn't finding more trades. Your edge is becoming a better decision maker. And sometimes, the best trading decision is patience. If today's message challenged the way you think about trading, I hope you'll give yourself some credit. Most of us weren't taught to think this way. We were taught that success comes from constant action, that every opportunity has to be chased, and that waiting means falling behind. But profitable trading often requires a different mindset, one that values preparation over impulse and consistency over excitement. That's exactly why I created our free trading psychology community. Every morning, we provide free daily SPY levels to help you begin the trading day with a plan instead of emotion. More importantly, you'll join a community of traders who are committed to improving 1% at a time while learning when not to trade. Those two habits alone can change the trajectory of your trading. If this video gave you a new perspective, let me know in the comments. Which number impacted you more, 37 or 73, and why? I'd love to hear your thoughts, and your insight might help another trader who's watching. If you found value here, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel and click the link in the description to join our free community and receive our daily SPY levels. Remember this. Profitable traders aren't defined by how often they trade. They're defined by how often they make disciplined decisions. You've got this. Peace and blessings, Dr. O.